So I'm a big fan of raised beds and then container gardening, but I'm stopping using these grow bags, and I wanted to talk about why for a minute or two. I've been using them for a few seasons. I have all sorts of different sizes from all sorts of different brands. Ultimately, I tend to use this Root Pouch brand the most, but again, I have a bunch of different ones, and then again, doing a lot of container gardening, and then there are the raised beds. But I'm not using these anymore, largely because I've had poor results. I've had poor results because they tend to dry out very quickly. The bag is highly permeable and it just loses moisture very, very quickly. Sometimes I think that's probably okay. I've had okay luck with potatoes, but most things I'm seeing really suffering, like these container roses, just not a good fit. Some grasses, other things, again, not a good fit. Other things, again, potatoes are okay, but generally speaking, I'm seeing worse results from these bags than I'm seeing from, just any pots. We're not talking special pots here. This is just a standard ceramic pot. That one was like $7, $6, something like that. The bags are highly permeable. They lose a lot of water. After a couple seasons, they get very gross. You could see they start growing, some sort of moss or whatever. Again, that's depend on your area. They get hard. They will have some root tips coming out of them depending on what you plant. They don't fall apart entirely, but they get gross. They start to lose their shape very quickly. They're just very floppy. And I've found multiple situations where the handles are flopping over into a plant, which is not a big deal, but when you have like seedlings, it's not great. If you have them really, really full, it's fine, but generally speaking, you don't need them that full, especially if you're just starting something off or it's not a plant with a really deep root system. They are meant to provide a lot of air to the roots and have root spread out more than you would with a normal pots. I've not really found that to be the case. The plants are growing as they would in any other vessel. So I don't really buy that whole like root system claim that people are making. I just haven't seen it. If anything, I see the roots are weaker because the plants just don't have the moisture level that often they want. And again, some of this is my area. Some of it could be dependent on how often you water, what the rain is like. But I don't think the trade-off in water loss and just kind of like the dryness of around all of this is really worth it. So for some plants, again, I guess it's fine for what I'm growing. It just doesn't work. Definitely not for something like a cucumber or something like that. I'm having really poor results for. And sometimes the stuff that has vines, I want to be able to put to a spot that doesn't have, a great growing base, but maybe I have a wall handy and I want to put my cucumbers there. Just having no luck. Same with squash, other things with very demanding, just not a fit at all. Again, potatoes I've done okay, a few other things, but I am getting rid of these, moving to conventional pots, sometimes some nicer pots if I could find a sale, or if I have a nice rose that's going to do really well in a container for an extended amount of time. For my little seedlings, it's easier just to put it into a pot and just leave it like that. For something like a lavender, I feel like it could be a good fit for, but I'm just seeing better results from just conventional pots. So I'm back with that. They hold moisture and they breathe enough, right? It's ceramic, right? This is losing too much moisture and breathing too much. And most of the other claims I'm just not seeing materialize, again, with the root spread. And then, it's nice that you can move it around with the handles, but it's really not that big a deal. You're not saving that much weight. And these are cheap, but they're not like incredibly cheap, right? Unless you're going with a like Vivor or one of those like really kind of more kind of commodity type brands, then yeah, you can get 20 pack for a lower price. But if you like the nicer ones, then you're really not saving so much. So again, maybe this argument doesn't appeal to everyone, and what it comes down to is I'm just not getting good results, even though I really like what the bags claim they could do, right? They're affordable. Off season, you collapse them down and you can get 5 or 6 bags in the spot where you can get a single not very large pot. So there's a lot to like about it, but between how gross they're getting from year to year, and this one's really not even bad. I have ones that are way worse than this, and I'm losing their shape and having some roots grow through, or starting to get really old and beat up from the rainfall and different wear and tear. Just not worth it for me. Moving back to ceramic, and recommend considering you doing the same. if you're having mixed results with the root pouches and thinking that there's something wrong with how you're growing, it could just be it's not a good fit for you or the way that you're growing your plants.